Welcome to today's video. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I am going to show you how to use Google Gemin AI, and this is actually the latest AI tool. Now I am not going to show you guys procedure on how to do it and everything on how to use it, but I'm just going to show you guys the proof on where to make use of Gemin AI and also how to access it. Now let's go ahead and start with this. Now it doesn't have an application. You can use it on your browser. Now just go ahead and type in Google Brad or brad.google.com like this, brad.google.com, and from here you can actually make use of Gemin AI. Now all you need to do is to just go ahead and type in the prompt that you want to use, or you use the voiceover area on this left hand area, or you use an image. That is actually how to use the Gemin. And also to confirm that using your Google Brad is also the same as using your Gemin AI. This is actually a proof of that. Now you notice on this top right hand area, right, the menu area, click on that. Now if you click on this, you can click on the update, and it's going to show you all of the updates that is available for your Google Brad. Now when you click on this, you are going to notice that the Gemin AI has been integrated with Google Brad. You can notice right here where it says Brad is getting its biggest update with Gemin. Now if you read further, you can notice that starting from today, we are introducing Gemin Pro in Brad, which means that whenever you are using Google AI, you are also using an integrated part of Gemin AI Pro. Now, this is actually how to use Gemin AI Pro. So if you have any question, please let me know on the comment section. The rest of the things you actually need to do is just know how to make use of the prompt, or just know the right prompt to use to work with your Gemin AI. If not, I think everything is set and okay and good to go. On a different video guys, I am going to share with you important prompt to use on your Gemin AI. But then as of today, or as of now, this is just how to make use of Gemin AI. Most people say this is not available, but they're actually wrong. This is fully available on your Brad or your Google Brad. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have a different question, or if you have a more concerning question than this. I am hopefully going to answer it. See you on my next video. Peace. I hope this video is helpful, guys. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.